As some of you guys know, I started my own woodworking business at age 16 in late October this year. So far, the business has been doing fairly well, but I do think I made a big mistake when I first started out. I had some experiences with building live edge furniture a while back, so I thought the first thing I should start by building to sell was an epoxied live edge side table set. Well, that was my mistake. What I should have done was started with something smaller, something that took me less time to make. With the tables, I didn't necessarily take me a long time to build them, but it took me a long time to epoxy the top and paint the legs. This was because I had to wait a day in between coats, even though it only took me 10 to 15 minutes to apply a coat. In total, it took me about 10 days to complete the side tables. This also left me with very little cash flow because I was literally waiting for the paint to dry, and I guess the epoxy to dry as well. Because I didn't have much cash flow, I also couldn't scale my business as fast because I wasn't able to buy more tools and materials to start new projects. Instead of starting with building a big item, I should have started with a smaller product, because then I would have been able to get more cash flow and get the business going a bit faster. A small item in my mind would be something that takes you 1 to 3 hours to make and complete. Sure, you might not be able to make as much money from these small items, but the thing you need most when you first start a business is cash flow fast, which that's why would have been better for me to go with a smaller item or smaller items instead of a bigger item at the start of my business. So that was my big mistake, was I should have started with smaller items and not went immediately into the big product, because then I would have had more cash flow and would have maybe also, by me making more products, would have reached more people and would further my reach to more customers. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned from my mistake when you start your own business. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more content.